In this video, I'll guide you through how to find event value in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to add event value as a metric in your reports so you can better understand the impact of your user interactions. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. Once you're in, make sure you've selected the correct GA4 property from the drop-down at the top. This is important because the options you see are always specific to the property you're working in. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical navigation menu. From here, click on Reports. This section is where you spend most of your time looking at standard data views in GA4, such as acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. We're going to start from a high-level overview and then customize it to show event value. After you click Reports, you'll be taken to the main reporting area. Here, click on Reports Snapshot. The Reports Snapshot is a kind of dashboard that gives you a quick overview of how your site or app is performing. It includes cards with different metrics like users, views, and events. We'll be editing this view to make sure event value appears as one of the available metrics. In the top right corner of the Report Snapshot page, look for a small pencil icon. This is the Customize Report option. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. When you click it, you enter the report customization mode for this particular snapshot. Customizing the report doesn't change your raw data, it just changes how that data is displayed to you and anyone else who can see this report. Once you're in customization mode, you'll see several options for adjusting the layout, dimensions, and metrics of the report. Here, find and click on Add Metric. Metrics are the numeric values that tell you what's happening on your site or app, things like total users, sessions, conversions, and in this case, event value. By adding event value as a metric, you'll be able to see how much value is associated with the events you're tracking. After clicking Add Metric, a search box and a list of available metrics will appear. In the search field, type event value. Using the search is usually the fastest way to find what you're looking for because GA4 includes a long list of possible metrics and scrolling through them can be time-consuming. As you type, the list will filter down to anything that matches your search. When you see event value appear in the list of metrics, click on it to select it. This tells GA4 that you want event value included as one of the metrics in this report. Once selected, it will be added to the list of metrics for your report snapshot. If there's a Save or Apply button showing, make sure to click it to confirm your changes so they stick the next time you open this report. Now, when you return to your report snapshot, you'll be able to see event value as part of your reporting alongside your other key metrics. This makes it much easier to evaluate the effectiveness of specific events, such as clicks, form submissions, or other custom interactions you're tracking in GA4. That's all you need to do to find and add event value in Google Analytics 4. By customizing your reports this way, you make your analytics more meaningful